All right, those were just my Hawaiian sweet rolls. I'm gonna go ahead and push in that little part that we just cut super quick because we want a nice hollowed out Hawaiian sweet roll. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious little dessert that everyone will love. Now we're gonna come in with some melted butter and we're just gonna brush our Hawaiian sweet rolls super quick. This is just 2 tablespoons of melted butter, which should be the perfect amount to get these nice and buttery and delicious. Oh my goodness, I have these just set right into my 13 by 9, and we are gonna go ahead and finish up with our butter, just like so. And then this is gonna go in the oven at 350 for just about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, while that's in the oven, I'm gonna grab a large bowl. I have 8 ounces of cream cheese that I let soften. I have some powdered sugar that we're gonna add to this, and we're gonna add about 1.5 cups of powdered sugar because I want this to be extra sweet. Those Hawaiian rolls can be on the savory side sometimes, so we wanna add some sweetness. Then we're gonna grab some vanilla extract, and we're gonna do 2 teaspoons, which is just 2 lidfuls right into our bowl. Oh my goodness, that powdered sugar smells incredible. And then the last thing we're gonna add to this is some lemon zest. And we can be as generous or as skimpy as we like with the lemon zest. It just depends on how much you like lemon. I personally love lemon, but we're kind of making a no-bake cheesecake filling with these ingredients. So, you know, if you like a little lemon zest in your cheesecake, then you should go crazy with it. Beautiful. Now, to make this super easy, I'm gonna bring in my electric hand whisk, and we're gonna go ahead and start whisking this up. And we want just the most delicious cheesecake, you know, consistency that we've ever seen. Just make sure that that powdered sugar gets well mixed with our cream cheese. Looks like maybe the cream cheese wasn't softened enough. I did just buy it this morning, so you probably need to leave it on your counter, you know, for more than a couple hours to get that consistency. Let's go ahead and really turn up that speed so that it can get nice and well blended. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look incredible?
Yeah, I mean, it totally looks like it's softened enough.
Oh my goodness, it smells amazing, that lemon. Okay, that looks absolutely stunning. Make sure to get all of that excess off the beaters. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab our piping bag. All right, I have my piping bag in a vase right here for easy transfer. And we're gonna put all of that delicious no-bake cheesecake filling right into our piping bag so that it can go beautifully with our Hawaiian sweet rolls that are just about to be pulled out. Look how delicious and creamy that looks. It smells amazing. And guess what, you guys? I gave it a little taste and it is incredible. It's so easy to make and it tastes so good. Who would have thought? Let's pull this out of our vase. Oh my goodness, smells so good. And then let's grab our Hawaiian sweet rolls. All right, you guys, these are out of the oven. I did let them cool for about 5 minutes. I'm coming in with our no-bake cream cheese cheesecake mixture, and we just gotta make sure to twist it before it goes to the bottom. And we are gonna fill up each of our Hawaiian sweet rolls where we made those cuts. Oh my gosh, look how beautifully that is going in. This is gonna be so incredible. All right, let's use as much of this as we can. It's okay if they're a little bit exploding because who doesn't love cheesecake? Now I'm gonna come in with some strawberries. And we are just gonna place a strawberry here and there. They don't need to go on every single one, just every other one for a delicious little treat. I'm gonna grab some raspberries for those ones that didn't get strawberries. Blueberries.
Yum.
Yeah, so we're gonna do some blueberries on here, add some color. Kind of makes it a little festive for the 4th of July too. If you wanted to make these for 4th of July, people will love them. But honestly, I'm making these year round because they are just that good. I'm just gonna top these off with a little bit of powdered sugar because it makes it extra pretty. Right? Doesn't that make it look extra pretty?
It's snowing.
It's snowing in the summer.
The best type of snow.
Yeah. All right. Taste test time. Cut right where the slits are. You probably don't even need a knife, but I am being extra cautious.
Don't scratch my 13 by 9.
This is my 13 by 9.
It's mine now.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. I got a little mini plate because I'm a lady. And there we go. It's time to give it a try. Bon appetit.
You got it on your nose.
So good.